Kuya JM. And that's the library. The very big library.
The very big
It has
library.
6 floors.
6.
Yeah. So we went to the second. Here's the second. The entrance here. And then we went to the 4th and 3rd floor. And it's so big. And I like that kind of library. I hope we also have that kind of library where you can bring your food inside and you can study for the whole day. So we're going, I don't know where. Bye. You want to study there?
Yeah, I'll take my PhD here.
Oh,
Maybe.
Chanda. Chanda ma.
I can dream.
You can study.
I'll finish my master's first. These are all the dormitories. In one room, how many? 200. College students, graduate students, they are 6.
Where are we going?
To the canteen.
To eat. We're always hungry. I don't know why.
Yeah.
No, it's just that we're not hungry. We just want to eat.
You just want something to chew on, I think.
Well, now look at my face.
很胖，包子。
为什么?
Just wanna call.
So this is the first floor of the 4th-floor building for their canteen in the new campus. We're in the 3rd floor. So we just got to the place where we're gonna eat. You see inside this couch set where I just sit down for a while. Do you wanna see where we're gonna eat? Yeah, I'm gonna show you too. That big. somehow. We're walking to our bus. Oh, it's here. Yeah! We got from the event, the commencement for performances.
Ang ganda.
Oh! Bye! It's raining. It's already 8:30 and we're just driving back home.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode.